Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to create a network in the Casambi app. Your first step is to select My Networks from the list. Now select Create a Network from the top of the list. You'll be presented with two options, Classic and Evolution. Classic is an older version of firmware, whereas Evolution is a newer version and includes more features. Your selection will depend on your particular devices. If you're having difficulty figuring out which firmware your devices support, select More Information. For the purpose of this video we'll be using Evolution. First off, you're going to want to name your network. We'll name this one, Demo Network. Now move on to the Sharing tab and make your selection. In this video we'll be using Password Protected. You'll be required to enter your email in the field provided. Once this is done, you need to set your password. Select the Administrator Password tab and enter your password of choice. Once you've completed entering your password, select the Location tab, and the app will start zooming in on your location. Once the map is static, select Done in the top right corner of your screen, and your location will be added. You'll also have the option to add your time zone. Now in the radio settings section, select Mode and choose the option that best suits your network's needs. We'll be using the balanced configuration for the purpose of this video. Use the default frequencies provided by the app, and select Done in the top right corner of your screen to create your network. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.